I'm bored and it's raining, so we are in the woods looking for stuff again. Let's find some bugs. I'm sorry, poor mushrooms, but I need to see what's under. Slug. So many slug. Come here. This is a brown centipede. Someone's moved this lot. Snail friend.
Crazy spider.
Tickle, tickle. I made a new friend. Wow. Yay! I love him. Little spider dude. I always pick the best days to go on walks. It's a pretty good find. This is a paste jar for like meat pastes or something like that from the anywhere between the 20s and the 50s. So that's pretty cool. A hidden log. Wait a second. Hidden beetle. Ooh, so many bugs today. Yippee!